This project will be making curtains for the entryway and the hallway. So I'm going to cover the top piece here the same as the other, but with 2 panels. I'm going to go ahead and do that throughout. So you can see over here, I've done this with the bathroom entrance right here, and I'm going to actually remove this one here. This is going to end up going in my bedroom. And then I'm going to put one here as well, and this is our study area. I'm going to go ahead and just do the same curtain on top, so that way the entire flow when you walk in, it'll almost give you a French style. I used table runners from Dollar Store, and I began pinning a seam. Pin about 1 inch on either side to make the threading easier for later. I'm on my 8th curtain, and I'm ready to be done making these curtains now. Now that the seams are done, we're going to take our wire that we got from the dollar store, and we will thread them through the curtains and begin to gather them up. I love the finished product, and with the wire as the thread, you can billow the curtains and adjust them however you like. Just a little trick: at the ends of each curtain, make a circle with the wire and simply use a clear tack that you also can get from the dollar store to begin hanging up your curtains. This is very important in an apartment so that you are not leaving large holes all over the walls. As you are hanging your curtains using these tacks, be sure to place the tacks in positions where you cannot see them. This is my finished product. From my entryway to my hallway, all the curtains are matching, and it creates a beautiful flow that makes you feel luxurious and happy. Door decals can be purchased on Amazon, and when purchasing, keep in mind your style and the flow of the entire look. Door decals with depth perception will make a small space feel even larger. Make sure that your curtains are not only beautiful but functional in a working space. You can even get creative and put lights behind that are on a timer, just like I did.